Hi everybody. I'm pretty excited about this. I've been wanting to do more outdoor cooking, fire cooking, and to have a friend who's an expert at it to come do it with me is super exciting. I always love film projects when we're doing it together, not just me by myself. I'm trying to do a little bit more collaboration of things like that. So I'm very excited to have this outdoor kitchen set up, ready to go. Woohoo! Oh, I'm really excited about this. I think the recipe for today, and I'm sure we'll introduce it, will be some seafood that we have recently harvested. I've gotten the van all organized where everything is in here. Kitchen set up for inside if we need it, and then we have the kitchen set up out here, which is going to be fantastic. I love this blending of van life, cooking, the outdoors, nature, foraging, food, living, traveling, like in my community and friends. It's just a really special thing to me. I'm endlessly grateful to have the opportunities to bring all of my creative worlds together, and this is one of those opportunities, and I am thrilled for it.
Peeling these wonderful shallots that I believe you grew from your garden.
I did, yeah.
Right on. Cool, I brought some more because I actually really like shallots, so we're going to add more.
Fantastic. That's great.
I always just figure recipes are just mere suggestions. So. Hey, cool.
Hi.
Hi.
Thanks so much. If any of you haven't seen some of the cooking videos that I've done before, I love cooking outside, but I am no way a professional. So I brought in my professional friend, Darius.
Hi everyone.
Can you tell me a little bit about like your chef life?
My chef life? Well, I work as a personal chef, and I essentially what I like to do is I come to people's homes, and I do essentially meal prepping for the week is typically my jam. But I'm an adventurous cook, and I've never really, I have to admit, done a lot of outdoor cooking aside from just when I'm camping. So this is a bit of an adventure for both me and Flossy, because we recently also went on a little foraging, clam digging expedition.
Like, this guy's huge. I'm excited to find somebody else who's also loves seafood.
Yes.
Loves camping. And then you bring this amazing technical knowledge of knife skills and cooking, and this is your recipe. So what are we making today?
Well, right now we're gonna make like a coconut curry. We're gonna do some clams and coconut curry.
There, if you are foraging, I say go clean up after yourself. Take some rubbish off of the beach and make it a better place for people. Also, if you're harvesting clams, do it ethically. There are apps, the Fisheries and Oceans websites has limits. It has information on how many, what time of year, is it open, are there opens or closes, because not all times of year are shellfish safe to eat.
Correct.
And we want to be really careful.
Let's
Thank
get cooking.
You so much.
Yeah.
Let's get cooking.
Let's do it.
You said earlier that we're doing this for your ancestors.
That's true.
As a commemoration dish.
Yes. I have recently gone through some personal losses. Lost two really dear QPOC friends of mine that I've known for like over 25 years now. And the person whom I'm holding in my heart today was definitely a food lover, and so I'm going to be cooking. I mean, every time I cook, I feel like I'm cooking for my ancestors, but today I'm cooking for my friend who just passed away. Shallots, throw that in. Oh my god, these are already starting to brown nicely. We're gonna add the garlic. We've got the shallots going. It looks like they're already starting to do their magic.
Oh, that looks amazing.
The yellow Thai curry paste. So I'm gonna get this going in first. And what I like to do is what they call blooming the spices. So you want this, basically the heat is going to awaken all the flavors. So
it looks amazing though. That is a good sound.
Oh, here, let's measure out what I imagine to be about half a cup. It's gonna be more than half a cup, let's be real. Okay, we'll do that. And we've got the lime juice and the fish sauce. So let's just add these all in here together. And then let's do a teaspoon of sugar. Oh yeah, or so. There we go. Good enough. And then we've got this. Okay, and we're gonna add this to the pot. Holy moly.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, now we gotta play around with this. Bring to a simmer. Well, it's not gonna take long for that to get to a simmer. Clam. We're gonna add the clams now.
Woohoo!
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay.
We're gonna add the water too. That's just gonna add to the broth.
Perfect.
And then we're gonna need to put the lid on this.
Okay.
This looks pretty damn good.
Yum! I'm so excited.
Oops, keep dropping that spoon. Alright. I'm wondering if we need to raise that a bit.
That's the actual hook, okay?
Yeah, I found it. That's one ring higher, or do you want it slightly higher than that, Chef?
What does it look like? Yeah, I'd
It's
say
simmering.
that's
Yeah.
simmering. Let's keep it there. I also want to say I'm originally from the Pacific Northwest region, so I too also, while we didn't call them pippies, I grew up clam digging around the Olympia area,
Yeah.
which is where my grandparents grew. So this is also bringing up a lot of nostalgia for me. So I feel like, I guess thematically, it just kind of feels like cooking for my ancestors. Cooking for my ancestors also reminds me of my fond memories with my grandparents.
Yeah.
And also, like, with my friends, you know.
Oh, they look so good.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. And we scrubbed and we cleaned and we did all of that stuff to these.
Are these the clams y'all went clam digging?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay.
Glad I'm reaping the benefits.
So we're just heating up a pot of water.
Fabulous.
I also love cooking with like local seasonal type stuff. So any excuse. I'm a big fan of fresh and herbal stuff.
Yeah.
And
And so we harvested our limit of clams when we went digging, pulling up the surface rocks, finding out these beautiful local seafood.
and then we'll add the garnishes to it. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh, it smells amazing.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Let's add some garnishes to this now. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's hope it tastes amazing.
I'm
Getting
sure
into
it
my roll.
Those are kaffir lime leaves.
Oh, that looks
Oh man, heck yeah. Okay,
Yum.
so sweet basil. Again, normally I would go for Thai basil, but they didn't have any at the store today, so. Unceremoniously just tear it to shreds. No particular order or fashion. Give it a stir. Just do like I like cilantro, so we'll do 2 handfuls there.
wow.
Now, we probably should also give this a taste. I mean it. Wow. That sour beer really comes through.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it gives it a really good flavor.
Different to a wine
Yeah.
base.
I think the sour was a good choice because I think it really enhanced.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Our bowl of rice noodles that's already been cooked. And I'm just gonna be generous with whatever because I'm sure we get some broth in there.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Okay, you see this? We're gonna add some garnish. Like that. Maybe add a little bit more of that. There you go. Bon appetit. What did you call these? Pippies?
Pippies is the Maori word for a, a smaller clam.
So-
yeah, this is a clam.
So this is a coconut curry pippies.
Woohoo.
Of delights.
Wow. It's like licked the lime and I'm like, damn, it's good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This is such a treat.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, you just watch the video.
Fair enough.
You'll be able to download the recipe from Patreon.
There's just really simple stuff, really. It's Thai curry paste. I use yellow Thai curry paste.
Yeah.
So I don't know what's going on. Shallots, onion, shallots and garlic. A little bit of fish sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, lime juice,
Here,
and beer. Yeah.
I feel we have to be, it's like by law, you have to be bilingual.
Yeah. There's something really special about doing this stuff outside. But we're outside, so we're more in touch with the nature, the plants, the animals, the energies of the land, and holding space and honoring our place as guests on this land. It feels really precious to me to be then taking that and turning it into a delicious meal to share.
Absolutely. We foraged the food, which is awesome, grew some of it, and now we're just doing a live outdoor session. So
I'm really excited. So thank you very much. This is like a little dream of mine.
I know, me too.
A little nerdy dream.